Hello guys, in this video we are going to teach you how to set up Google Merchant Center for your WooCommerce. So I'll teach you the basics of this and how it works. So basically how it works, we are in the learnwoo.com because this is the best place to learn. So how it works basically is the Merchant Center is in fact a free service that will help you display your product information across different Google channels. So you can find you'll find your product itself on the Google search when you search for that certain item. You know how when you search, like, let's just say Transformers toy, and then it pops out randomly as your in the top section right here usually, but it didn't pop out for some reason. I don't know, because maybe I'm not signed in, but there you will find it there already. So it will have ID, title, description, link, image link, availability, price, and brand. So those are the things that it will be associated into, so you will be able to create your automatic Google product feed. So here you'll be able to do your creative feed. So you will first have to go to settings and then the map category. So you will have to add a field and then the map attributes and expansion. So the regular update of the feed is managed by the cron job that can be scheduled for daily, weekly, or monthly intervals. So from there, you want to go to your Google product feed. So here is the help or the help of the plugin that will be able to create and maintain a Google product feed. So the Bing product and a feed Google product review feed, it will help you update the product feed in real time according to the changes you make on your WooCommerce store, so it'll automatically update it already. So this extension will support more than 50 feed attributes, including all the required fields. So how it works basically is you will have to go here. So you will have to go to your Google fields, and then the basic product settings. You'll have to set all of those, of course. You can create a custom template with the template or with the plugin, I mean, and then you'll be able to actually just make custom ones and a lot of them. So there's a single site subscription with a plugin that would cost around 80 euros or around $84, and the others would be $130 for such. So the WooCommerce Google Feed Manager. So you can manage your feeds with ease with this plugin. You'll be able to find the file name, the channel, the target country that you want, and a default category if you want one. So you can use this plugin to create free Google product feeds for less than 100 products. So let's just skip right here and look for the process, but it's not really located right here because it's just a plugin and it's really easy to use. So it's just like this actually, and then you'll be able to generate and save your feed, and that's how you set up basically your Google Merchant Center for your WooCommerce, and it's really simple. So the boosting, I won't really talk about this anymore because that's for another topic, but basically you can use your plugin to get this, and it's really simple. It's WooCommerce Google Feed Manager. Just look for it in your plugin and you'll be on your way. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.